Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll and find software information and localize build number or OS version or something like that, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm the whole step, and tap on OK. Now we can go back to this left section, scroll down and enter developer options, and here scroll down just a little bit to find this option automatic system updates, and simply tap on this switcher to turn on the feature. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. To turn this option off, simply tap on this switcher again. Also, make sure that you will go to the software update. So here let's tap on this option and make sure that this auto download option is set to using Wi-Fi only, not necessarily never, because then your device will obviously never download the updates. So just set it to using Wi-Fi only. I do not recommend to use mobile data for it, because usually the files which are connected with the update are large, and it may cause some. You might be charged for using too much internet. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.